Good afternoon, YouTube friends and families. It is a lazy Saturday for me. Lazy, but I'm going to get up and get started. I have a lot to do. The stockpile is real. The stockpile is real. She don't lie about the stockpile. But I have to get this stuff in order. I cannot live like this no more. This is not what I want to see when I walk in. All the light bulbs need to be with the light bulbs. I probably have a couple of things that need to go on eBay. Why I got a random oil filter, I have no idea. And then all this stuff on this desk. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to get to it. This is not going to be a clean with me per se, because I don't know if I even had a battery. I can't even open that drawer. I don't even know if I had a battery to go to get all this recorded. So, just stuff. Don't know what that said. Hurry up and close it. Just junk and wasted space. I have my battery holder. I can go ahead and divvy up them batteries. Just stuff. Just stuff. So, even look on the floor. I just started making this a dumping ground, which it should not be. I need to get my tools together, get all the chargers going, just pull it together. So this is what I'm going to work on this Saturday. I don't know how I'm going to start. I don't know how it's going to finish. I'm not trying to just shuffle crap around. I want to get it decent and in order. So lots and lots to do. I see a few things that I could probably get rid of. A better organization system I could put in place, but it's a lot. So I'm going to do shelf by shelf. That stuff up top will probably stay. I may move a few things and rearrange it. So let me get to it. And we'll see how far I get. It might turn out like the closet video, unfinished, but we'll see. Okay, here's an update. I had to do some shifting. That ADHD kicked in, and I had to do some shifting. So I cleaned this shelf up, got it more neat and organized, and moved some stuff off of this shelf over to in there. What I'm thinking about is putting together a bundle for a friend and, getting rid of a few items that are excess, like the Purex, Free and Gentle, stuff like that. But that's coming later. I don't want it to kick in too bad. I'm getting back on track. So I started. I made a move. And I was like, well, before I do this, I need to move this, have somewhere to put this stuff and kind of get it neat over here. So that's what I did. That's how my cleaning works. So pray for me, y'all. Hopefully I will finish. Here we go. 1 hour and 15 minutes later. We working our way from top to bottom, and I'm done with the top shelf. I have the light bulb situated, so I am working my way on down. I got a little charity box going that I've been having going for the last 2 months, letting some friends come dig through first, and then I'll probably just send it to Goodwill. I don't feel like a yard sale. I'm hearing yard sales aren't doing that great these days because nobody has money. Let me know if you've had a successful yard sale recently, because I'm not hearing good things about them. So I'm like, just send it to Goodwill. Let them go pay the high Goodwill prices. And we going to get back at it. But we are an hour and 15 minutes in. But some progress is happening. I'm getting a little proud of myself and moving a little faster. And while I'm doing this stuff, I found a couple of boxes to throw away to recycle, right? But see that router box? I am wondering if I turn in my personal router to Comcast. That's what I'm sitting here wondering. But I'm not going to get sidetracked, because if it's gone, it's already gone. And on to the next thing. But stay tuned. All right, folks. I started this something after 12. I took a break, went to Walgreens, ate some food, sat down and watched some of a movie here and there. And now it's 8:30. So here we are, about 8 hours later. I am not finished, but I have made a big difference. So in my mind, I need to keep buying cleaning supplies. So I need to see some of my cleaning supplies so that I don't keep buying them. Oh my gosh, I got a lot. I'm good. I got to keep seeing it. On my way out the door thinking I'm finna go shopping somewhere. No, I see this stuff on top. I got to. This is just coming in from the garage. It's a little area. So all the cleaning supplies are, well, not all of them. The ones that are in this area are up here because there's no room in the pantry. It's none at all. I need to do that next. I need to tackle that next. So I got that, and then I do keep my Echo boxes and ring boxes and stuff like that. So up here on this top shelf, I had light bulbs here, there, everywhere, and over there and around there. Oh my goodness. I got all the brand new light bulbs, but I had some light bulbs that I probably took down because they wasn't matching in the vanity. So that's in the giveaway box. I got my grow lights, and I have my grow light bulbs. So extra light bulbs and the grow light for those hard times to come. Just in case we have to grow inside. I put my batteries there. I put all my lights and flashlights there. So not all of them. I might have one or two in the bedroom, and everybody has a flashlight in their nightstand, just in case lights go out in the middle of the night. Then I found all these painter's caulk, which I got some more improvements to do, so I'm going to need those. I had like 3 fish tanks. I'm down to 2 with not a one fish in this house. But we might get a beta again because beta water will be good to pour on house plants. And when you change the water, just pour that out on house plants for fertilizer. And I have beta food, everything. I don't know if it's good food, but we ain't had a beta in many years. Then this is tools and screws and toilet flaps and things like that. And I say I'm not getting rid of the toilet flaps. They brand spanking new, and you never know when them flappers going out. Even though my toilets are like 2 years old right now. Those will be used soon when I get into the laundry room and going to, getting that situated. Of course, I wipe down the cabinets. I wipe the inside of the cabinets. I have space. So I have a binder for all my warranties and manuals and instructions when I put stuff together. Then I have a recipe binder that really should be in the kitchen, and I'll move it when I work on the pantry. Then I had some little miscellaneous stuff. That's all that's up there. Those 3 cans, those 3 items is all that's up there. And that's car related. And then that duster, I spray that one more time. It'll be gone when I go dust my den and spray it. That's good for spraying on your like artificial flowers to get them dusted off. And my lighters, I had to take those out the package in order for those to fit, which they really should be over there by the lanterns, but they close enough. And this is my paints and stains and stuff that I need to keep inside, spray paints and craft items, gloves, masks, twines, things like that. Bunch of extra seals of sandpaper, and I got a project coming up, and I do have a tote that's strictly for painting, but I say let me keep a couple of pieces, a couple of items in here until I get that tote in order, because it's just like a bunch of stuff thrown in a tote. And it's a couple of sponge brushes and brushes in here too, just in case, and gloves. So I pulled items. I didn't throw away a lot at all. I pulled items from the laundry room and shifted stuff in the laundry room just a little, but I did not make a bigger mess. And then I have boxes and stuff that I tore up and getting rid of. And here is the top of the desk. That's what I see. The top of the desk. And I can close the drawers. They are not done by a long shot. I need to go through all these drawers one by one. I already have my Walmart haul, which I'll link above, where I found the home edit stuff, drawer organizers. So that's what I'm going to do there. And I still have not mopped and swept and things like that. But the chair is almost empty. I had this folder that I need to go through and figure out what to throw away. But I'm sure 80% of that will get thrown away. And then the chair has some inks. You return your ink, recycle your ink cartridges. So I got a bag of ink cartridges that I need to recycle. That is all that's left. I'm going to put this chair back under, and I'm going to bed because I have sweated today. I'm like, why am I sweating so hard? So it must be under the lights that's causing me to sweat. But this is what I've done. And it was a hard road. It was a lot, and it was a hard road. Then I did put some stuff aside that I am taking to a family member's house. So there you go. And like I say, I did not mess up the laundry room. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Everything needs to be done. Now I'm scared to cut all the lights because then you'll really see the dust bunnies. But it's bad in here. But I did straighten that shelf out too. So there's something in here. And then I have, I can get rid of those damp reds. And I need to buy some more. But little stuff like that and clean up in here. It's horrible. I'm not even going to show you the floors. It is horrible. But I hope you like this video. I hope it motivates somebody to get organized. Organize your preps. Organize your stockpiles. Take inventory before it gets too bad so you can fill in the spaces of your preps. So I hope this helps somebody prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. You have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.